Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to install and import CV2 in Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to install and import OpenCV, often abbreviated as CV2 in Visual Studio Code, so these are the following steps that we need to follow. So first things first, open Visual Studio Code or launch it onto your system. Now, once you're already in, we need to open your Python project where you want to use OpenCV or create a new Python file. So I have a file already in here. We're just going to locate that one here onto my folder, click onto the project, and usually the Python files ends with .py. To create a new one, we'll just head here onto File, create a new file, and then right after, you'll just need to type in the file name and then just add .py and then save it onto your local folder. Now, once everything is already set and you have opened already the Python project, it is time to open the terminal. Now we need to navigate here onto the upper part corner of the screen, click onto these three dots, click on the terminal and click onto new terminal. So as you can see, this is the shortcut key for opening the terminal. We'll just have to click onto that. And then right after, it should open something like this onto the bottom part. Once the terminal is open, we'll use pip to install OpenCV by running the following command. So this is the command. You'll just need to copy that one, click onto enter to go ahead and run this. So you'll just need to wait for the installation to happen and you should be able to receive a message right after that the installation was successful. Now, as you can see, once it is installed, you should be able to see this message in here. Then right after, the next step that you need to do, if you need additional OpenCV modules, you can install the appropriate package for that. So you could go ahead and type this one onto your command and then click onto enter, and this should install the OpenCV's extra module. So you'll just need to wait for this one to be completely installed as well. Now, once that one is also completely installed already, the last step that you need to do is to verify the installation. So after the installation process is complete, you can verify that OpenCV is installed correctly by importing it in a Python script or the Python interpreter, or going ahead and just typing this one here onto our project. So let's close out the terminal first. And let's paste this one in here. So typically, if this one is not installed correctly, then there's error showing in here. Now, this is how you typically import this onto your Python code like any other Python packages, or if you prefer this other way to import this, just like this. After importing, you can start using OpenCV's function and classes in your Python script. So by following these steps, you should be able to install and import OpenCV or CV2 in Visual Studio Code effectively. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.